morning, good afternoon, and good evening again. It's me, your boy, Promise Bill from Promas Recording Studio, and I'm here with a brand new tutorial on how to sequence a MIDI drum. The proper way to sequence a MIDI drum to make it sound a bit more like a live concept. Although there is always a touch of a live drum. No matter your skill, no matter how good you are in sequencing, in mixing, and in touching the drum to make it sound like a live concept, there's always that touch of a live drum. A true drummer will know the difference. So without wasting much time, let me beg you, please share this video and subscribe if you find this helpful. Thank you. Alright, let's dash into it. There are 3 rules I'm going to state. There are a few things you need to know, and this video is for the upcoming producers, people that are still trying to come up with their sequencing and all that stuff. The first thing is the dynamics of a live drum. It must be unique. You can't sequence a drum and let it play from beginning to the end on just one beat pattern. It's not possible. A live drummer would have changed something in between, so you make it unique, to make it lively, make it special. Let me show you an example real quick. I would have loved to play the entire track so that you can feel. And there is one thing you will notice from this track, and there's one thing you can take out of the sequencing of this drum. Our focus is on the drum set. Now, what did you take out from this little clip that I played? Number 1, there is a dynamic movement of the drums. Before you know, it started building. Let your music build. It depends on the song, though. The good and the normal music, the drums should build. It's not dynamic to keep a drum on repetition, especially when it's sequenced. Then 2, the dynamics of reality. What does that mean? It means you have only 2 hands and you have 2 legs. So there are some things that are impossible for a live drummer. There are some things that are out of place. For example, you can't be rolling and at the same time building an open hi-hat. Those are some of the little key things that will make people know that this guy is mashed up. Your hands cannot be on the toms at the same time, 2 hands on the toms and the hi-hat is still playing. It's not possible. Let me show you an example on that one real quick. This is an open hi-hat 2. Then the moment the rolling starts, the hi-hat is off. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Know the things that are supposed to be done. I see some people, because it's software, they just over sequence. Want to put everything into the stuff. So long the software can allow it, we'll just keep going. No, you have to reason like a drummer. Then the last thing I will talk about is how to get a proper attack from your snare drum. A more professional way to get a proper attack from your snare drum. Now, this can work especially when you are playing a funky kind of beat where the kick and the hi-hat needs to fall at the same time. So listen to this part. Let me just play this part. Alright, as you can see now, alright, watch this. You can see that this is the snare and this is the kick. So now the snare and the kick, originally, reason this, when a drummer is playing, it's not possible to hit the kick and the snare at the same time. At an exact time, the same is not possible. So what this, if it's played together, the dynamics is not nice. Listen. You can see. Let me play it again. Now, but watch this. You can zoom open. Watch what I did. Look at it. A bit of flamp will just help the snare to get a better attack. So listen again. You can take it back a bit, one step. Okay, listen to this. Oh. So these little key things are just the stuffs that makes a sequencing drum look so real. Number one, let your drum build from beginning to the climax point. Number two, you must understand the reality of a drummer, how drummer thinks, how drummer play. Learn how to create space between your kick and your snare. On my next tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step on how to create rollings like this. And this. So I'm going to stop here. Most times it is not about how complex the rolling is, it's how professional the rolling is sounding. Please share this video, like this video, comment on this video to encourage your boy. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.